How to claim tax after leaving UK. So I don't know if many people know about this, but if you have worked in UK or had a business, or if you're a student, and if you are leaving UK, you can apply for tax return. Basically, if you have overpaid tax, you can get the money back. My wife recently left UK, and that's when I had to find out how to file the tax return. And honestly, I couldn't find much information on YouTube or online. So that's how I had to figure out myself. And I thought I'll make a video out of it, how I applied for the tax return and got my money back. First of all, I'm just sharing the information I know and how I did it. So if anybody who's watching this thinks that I'm saying something wrong, or if you have better information, please share the information in the comment section. As far as I know, anybody who has worked in UK or had a business, even students, they all can apply for tax return when they leave the country. Recently there's a trend, right? There's a lot of people moving out of UK, either going to New Zealand or Australia, going to India or different countries. So anybody who's actually going through the process of moving out of UK, either after finishing studies or going for a new job, all of you can apply for the tax return. So how late or how early can you do the tax return? So as far as I know, there's no particular deadline. You can do it right after you leave UK or right before you leave the UK. So for in my case, actually, we did it like after almost 2 months she left UK, and there was no problem. So how can we apply the tax return? So as far as I know, there's two ways. Either you can file the tax return online, or you can actually do it through mail. So if you're doing it online, just go to the HMRC website, which stands for His Majesty Revenue and Customs, or you can actually download the P85 form and then fill it up and send it to HMRC. I recommend everyone should do it online because it's much faster and you can track it. And I did it online, and I have screen recorded how I did it, and I'll show you. These are the documents required for filing the tax return, and some of them are optional, but I would actually get all of these ready before I start filing. Now let me show you the screen recording what I did. So I typed in how to apply for tax return once you leave UK in Google, and then clicked on the link you see. And when you come to the HMRC website, which is this one, it will give you the option to claim the tax return online. And once you click that, it will go to the login page where you have to enter the gateway, the government gateway ID and password. If you don't have it, you have to create it. They will walk you through it. It's right below that. I used the app called the UK Immigration ID Check and the BRP card. Once you log in, there's almost 16 pages. So first one is your details. So you enter your name, last name, date of birth, and you can see whatever you had to enter, like UK address, and then continue and save. And the next one is your overseas address, like the country you're moving to, and your phone number there. And the next page is when you left the UK. So you continue, keep entering, and go to the last page, which is the declaration page. This is the summary, the last page before the declaration page. So here it actually show you everything you have entered, and you can just double check all the information that you have entered is right or wrong. And this will give you the option to actually even to submit the application at the end. So you can see right here. And that's when you actually come to the declaration page, and you just stating that every information is correct, and you enter your email address and continue. Once you do that, it will give you a tracking number which you can use it to track your application. Here you can see that the claim has been sent, and they'll give you a reference number. This number can be used to track your application. In my case, it took almost 6 weeks to get the reply, and they'll send you email stating that your tax return is ready, and you can log in and see what's the progress. So let me show you, once I got the email, this is what I did. I went back to the website and logged in again to the HMRC website using the same ID and password which I used to submit the application. And once I was in the website, I actually go to the top and selected messages. And once I open that, here I can see the first one. See messages. The first one is HMRC tax calculation for the year 6 April 2024 to 5 April 2025. You select So once you open that, you can see whether are you going to get any money or not. So that's it. Hopefully this was helpful for someone. Thank you.